seatbelt securely fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Please use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during takeoff. Please keep the aisle clear of all potential trip hazards like bags or bag straps. Federal regulations requires all passengers to comply with crew instructions and prohibits use of cellular network during flight. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card in your seat pocket. The lavatories on board are frequently refreshed. If you notice an untidy lavatory, please just let us know. Free messaging and Wi-Fi for purchase is available, so you can stay connected. Connect to the deltawifi.com network to get started. Use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. Due to the short time we're together, we won't have the opportunity to offer service. However, if you have a request, please let us know. Please note that federal regulations prohibits consuming any alcohol you might have brought on board with you. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.